What is your weekly budget?
2000.
What is that? 500 into? How many days are in a week?
7.
Huh? Don't know.
I don't.
So now you know only Saturdays. Okay. Now, understand this. My daily budget is how much? My weekly budget is 3,500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. How much amount I am spending every day?
500.
I do one.
Now there is a possibility Meta might spend not 500, sometimes 800 also.
I said Google.
Why? Because whenever there is an opportunity
Yeah.
to give you results, Meta will push the amount to that particular days. But another day it will adjust the amount. It will spend only daily wise, it will increase the amount, but weekly amount it will not cross. Weekly it will spend only 3,000. Look again. You will spend an average of 500 per day. What is telling? I spend 500 only per day. Your maximum daily spend is 875. It's increasing. That it's telling you that I can spend 875 per day maximum. But your weekly spend will be 3,500. Because whenever there is a possibility I will take money, I will cut from another place. Next. If on your audience will selecting Odds Manager, which you can ignore. Tell me which category should I select? Financial products or services, employment, housing, social issues or politics. You should not select any category. If you see, finance is a very sensitive topic. Employment, a lot of scams happen, sensitive topic. Housing is also a little sensitive topic. Which is the most sensitive topic here? Politics. If you select this targeting option, if you select this category, when you go to next level, your targeting options will be limited. Certain ages you cannot target. Certain types of audiences you cannot target. So you should not select any category. Okay, but sometimes your ad will get rejected. If you are doing a political campaign, which is a very sensitive topic, your ad will get rejected. Then you have to come here, then you have to select the category. If you are getting any issues, then only select the category. If you are not getting any issues, just leave the category. Clear? Till here? Any doubts? What we did? Created a campaign. Which campaign? Sales campaign. Campaign name we gave. Budget we gave. Which strategy we finalized. That's it. Anything else we need to do in this? No. One option you have. You don't have to use this also. But I'm just showing you the option. Budget scheduling. Okay. Let's say you're a food delivery app, or let's say you're a cloud kitchen. Which is the most active hours for you in this area, Capital Park area?
Afternoon, 12 to 4.
Why 1 to 3? Lunchtime. Your daily ad spend is 500 rupees. But this 1 to 3, you want to increase your amount to 1000 rupees. This is known as budget scheduling. Schedule increase the budget. Something is in draft, I'll delete it. Add time period. Starts on July 6, let's say 12 a.m., 12 p.m. Ends at July 6 at 3. Okay. I think this is a 24 hours format. 3 months of 12, 30, 40, 50. Please start the date of your high demand period for the budget setting. Within past. So select bill. Set level.
one करो sir.
1 minute. Okay, anyways, this is in 24 hours. You can see this later. Now, how much budget you want to increase? Increase the daily budget by value amount or increase the daily budget by percentage. Value amount is nothing but you can give. I want to increase more 500 rupees. That you can select. Anything is okay. Or if you want to select by percentage, let's say I want to increase my budget by 50%. Which percentage it will take? The percentage of your daily budget.
250.
Your daily budget is 500. If you increase 50%, what is the daily budget?
750.
50%.
50% ऐड करें ना.
250.
So it will spend around 7. Got it? But even this is not useful much. I'm just showing you the option. Clear? Any doubts in campaign settings? Everyone? Now open your ad account, create a campaign and complete. How do I give ad set name?
Sir.
No. Depends on the type of audiences
Yeah.
that we are targeting. Now let's say here you have created what is the audience for this HM Finance?
Women.
Women.
Women. What is the interest, behavior and all? One, you have targeted based on their interests. Okay? You're right? Interest, audience. मतलब whatever the audience you're targeting, you have to write that name
Okay.
for proper understanding. Now what else I write? The date.
एक हेड सेट को एक ऑडियंस टारगेटिंग.
Yeah. July. Now this is not a proper format again. It's up to you. However you want to write, however you want to customize, you can customize. Now what is the conversion location? Okay. Now Meta is asking you, you have selected the objective of sales. Where you want to generate the sales? You want to do it from website or app? You want to do it from website and in-store. Website, app, 3 things you want to mix, or only website. These are not enabled because you know you did not set up your catalogs and all. Okay, or multiple if you want. Multiple matlab, sometime Meta will show website, sometime Meta will show app,
Sure.
sometime Meta will show different. Single is nothing but which one you want to select. You want to select from website, you want to do it from app, you want to do it from. Why app is not there? Because it is not connected. Why message destinations and what call? Which one I should select now?
Message.
Message destination. Done. Now, which is a Facebook page say you want to make your campaign live? That is what we need to select. I have selected this Facebook page. Which message destinations page you want to get the sales? Automatic matlab Meta is suggesting. Manual you can select by yourself. Messenger I select, Instagram I can select.
WhatsApp.
Which one should I select?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. You think Instagram is also good?
No.
Yes.
Okay, we can do that.
नहीं जाते सर.
Instagram we can select, WhatsApp we can select. But why WhatsApp is not enabled?
Profile.
You know how to connect your WhatsApp to? Where to connect WhatsApp? Where to connect Instagram? Instagram page. Where to connect WhatsApp? Page only. Same way, wherever you are connecting Instagram, below Instagram you have an option of WhatsApp. Clear? Now, when you are doing live campaign, select both. Now, up to you. You want to select WhatsApp, select WhatsApp. You want to select Instagram, select Instagram. You want to select both, select both. Your wish. Next. What is the performance goal? Maximum number of conversions. We try to show your ads people who are most likely to have a conversation with you through messaging. It will send your ad to the people who can have a conversation with you, text you, chat with you, message and all. Cost per result is disabled here. Why? What is cost per result? Matlab, this is the amount that I can pay for one result. Why this is disabled here? Because this selected our bridging strategy as highest volume.
Highest volume.
Right? Now value rule set, this is also not employed. You can ignore this. Show more settings and let's see what is there. Conversion, this is default, we cannot make any changes. Okay. When you want to start the campaign, when you want to end the campaign, that you can select. Starting, ending, if you don't select, it's okay. Now, this is some recommendation it's giving. Ad check scheduling. You can ignore this also. Now, this is where I need to set up the audiences. Done. How do I target the audience? Which one is this?
Advantage plus.
If you want to target original audience here, you have an option called further limit the reach of your ads. Further limit the reach of your ads. Continue. Then, now this is what the actual targeting option that it will be. Location targeting, same like we did in Audience Manager. Age targeting, same. Gender targeting, same. Custom audience and detail targeting. Detail targeting means what you target based on their age or demographic interest and age. Do we need to create an audience here again? How to select that audience? You have an option called saved audience. Click on the drop down. Whatever you have 10 audience, you get 10 list here. You have one audience, you get only one. I have one audience that I have created. Select it. That's it. You don't have to do anything here. No age, no location, no gender, nothing. That's it. See, it already told. Age. Now, audience is wrong. I just shown you how to select the audience. That's it. Clear? That is why it's here. Advantage place is off because I am using my original audience. Any doubts till here? No doubts? Okay. If your ad is related to securities and investments, financial, you have to select this option. But now it's not even related, you can ignore this. Now, this is what the placement options are. Okay. Earlier it used to give a lot of options, now it's completely taking on AI. Edit placement control. Now it's giving you an option where you can show your ad. This you can see advertising. So if you look at here now it's not giving you enough options to switch. It will automatically show your ads in place where people are likely to respond. Excluded placement, if you want to exclude any placements, only two options is given. Audience network and banner, Facebook marketplace. Done. That's it. But Meta is doing this only lead generation and sales campaign nowadays. Other campaigns, if you go, you'll get detailed options if you want to show your ad on Instagram or not. Select Instagram, select Facebook, select WhatsApp, whatever the places you want to advertise. That you can select. Instagram is also where you want to show the ad. If you want to show the ad only on stories, if you want to show the ad only on feed, if you want to show the ad only on, let's say, profile feed, that you can select. Okay. But here it's not allowing that option. It should allow. But as I've told you is that Meta is completely switching to AI. See, device is giving, platform is giving you. Facebook is selected, Instagram is selected. If I want to remove Instagram, remove Instagram. Now your ad will be visible only on Facebook. If I select Facebook, if I select Instagram, if I remove Facebook, your ad will be visible only on Facebook. Placement control option. Where you see certain placement is not allowing default. Where you want to show the ad. In Instagram, where you want to show that. Stories may you want to show. Instagram, Facebook stories may you want to show. You can enable this and you can disable this. See, few options are not available because based on the campaign settings you have done, certain placements will be excluded by Meta itself. See, WhatsApp status option is also. Then, so this you can ignore all the things. These are default. If you want to just adjust the placement, platform from here you can adjust. Placement control, here you can. Got it? Clear? Any doubts? This is how we set up our ad set. We didn't do anything. We just came here, we gave a name, selected audience. That's it. That is the primary two things that we have done. Got it? Do it, everyone. Complete your ad set. Collaboration. Collaborative with an influencer. Their profile and your profile will be used attached to ads. Now it's not allowing me to select a Facebook page. Why? Because page I've already selected in which level? Ad set level. Whatever the profile is connected here, it's showing me my Instagram profile. Next. This is what the ad setup. I want a single image video ad or I need a carousel ad. If you scroll down, you'll get an option how to set up the creator. Image you want to set up or video. But do I need to set up here? Do I need to upload image, videos and everything here? No. Why? Because I need creative. Click on create ad. Instead of this, select use existing post. So generally it will show you three options. Use creative mockup also it will show you. No, it's not showing. Use existing post. So it's selecting from our Instagram. So anyways, don't know why it's not showing. Some authentication is required maybe. So here it will show you three options. Mockup you need to select. From that mockup you need to select the mockup that you have designed. Okay. Then primary text, images, everything will be added here. Okay. Website events, do I need to track? No, because I am using WhatsApp as a destination. That's it. Here you just have to set up your creative and click on publish.
सर अगर वीडियो कर रहे बोले तो उधर वीडियो सेलेक्ट करके वीडियो अपलोड करना सर.
अपलोड नहीं करना, वो जो मॉकअप में बनाना.
नहीं मॉकअप में वीडियो नहीं बनाना.
तो बनाना पड़ेगा.
मॉकअप में ही वीडियो बना के
इसमें सेलेक्ट.
ओके.
Clear everyone? Any doubts? Now after this I just have to publish. Your campaign will go like this. Clear? Okay. See there's some error in the ad form. Now I'm on which level? Campaign.
Campaign.
What is this?
Ads.
And this is an
Ads.
ad. If I want to create another ad set in the same campaign, where to create it? Go to click on create. If you want to create a new ad in the same ad set,
Save to add. Save to add post.
go to add. Then click on
This.
place. Got it? Any doubts?
Poster कैसा आता है? Poster करा.
Poster just now I've shown you. Ad level. Here you have to click on this drop down. You will see three options. Creative mockup. Select use creative hub. Then you need to select the mockup from that pop-up. Then creative will be added. See now it's not showing me an option. Don't know why. But you'll get that option. You have to select it, and your creative will be visible here. That's it. Try if not, I will show you one thing. Delete or I can duplicate. Got it? Any doubts, anyone? See, these are not enabled. Way to enable this, all these things we do in mockup only, not here. Done. So today you need to set up a complete live campaign in the ad account. Okay. Now I'll give you ad account access of HM Fashions, complete business portfolio access I will give you. Ad account, Facebook page, Instagram account. Okay. Once you take the access, how to accept the access, what I first time show you. In that only your task for today is, in a live campaign, what are you going to do? That I'll show you. Each group will create how many campaigns? One campaign. Inside this, you are going to create ad set 1, ad set 2. Okay. In one ad set, how many ads you are going to create? 3 ads. Don't create 3 ads, create only 2 ads, because images won't perform for e-commerce. One is video, one is carousel. Same video you can use it here, and same carousel you can use it here. Okay. What will be the difference between this ad set and this ad set? This ad set may you are going to target original audience. Your team have to decide the audience that you are going to target. Here you have to target which audience? Advantage Place. One campaign, 2 ad groups. One ad group only for original audience, one ad group only for Advantage Place. In that ad set, one video ad, one carousel ad. Again one video ad. Who will give you the videos?
Instagram.
Who will design the carousel? You have to design the carousel.
उसमें है सर, डायरेक्ट ले सकते हैं
नहीं, अलग डिजाइन.
पेज में.
तुम दे दो तो फिर दिमाग. Think in such a way that creative is very important. Your creative, no matter how good the audience is, your creative defines your ad success. Okay. Plan. If you have any plans, tell the Vignesh, go to their shop and shoot it also.
वाओ.
Okay. This is what you are going to do in which live campaign. Any doubts, anyone? So what is the total budget? 2000 is the total budget. The Google Ads में whatever remaining budget was. Each group will have how much budget?
500.
Fine. Now I'll give you ad account access only for the people who are managing the group. Okay. Later I'll give you for everyone. Today your task is to create a mockup, save it. Create audience and save it. 2 tasks. Clear? How many audiences?
2.
You know how to create original audience? You know how to create advantage audience? Advantage audience में you get detailed targeting options also. What you should not select. Select age, location, gender. That's it. What is the location you target? They are selling online also. वही India level पे है. Up to you. You want to target Hyderabad? Depends on what is the creative you are using.